Let's take a look at how you can generate a structured plan for country-specific student webinars using the UNI Global AI Copilot. On the left-hand side, enter the target countries. Here, we've included Egypt, Australia, China. Then fill in the institution name. We've typed in University of Sunderland. And finally, under key areas of focus, we've written scholarships available, partner institutions, work opportunities. You can select a preferred language, model, and word count if you'd like. Once complete, click the Generate button. Now, on the right-hand side, you'll see a detailed webinar planning draft. The guide includes a structure for the entire session, from introduction and campus overview to scholarship information and collaboration opportunities. It also recommends involving international staff, current students, and alumni for regional insights. You can now revise the plan, export it to Word, or copy and paste it into your event coordination materials.